morning. It's 4 a.m. and I'm just heading out to the airport to catch my flight. I think it's at 8 a.m. so I still have plenty of time, but I'm quite a long way away, so let's hit the road. Got to Heathrow. I'm really nervous. It's my first real media launch where all the other guys there will be journalists, and I'm be like, hi, I'm a motoblogger. I'm very much lightweight compared to who they are and how much experience they have in both writing about bikes but also riding bikes. I don't know what to expect. I'm excited, but I'm really nervous. I just want to make a fool out of myself, and I don't know. It's starting to feel real now. I was, for a really long time, I was like, is it really happening? It's probably not. And yeah, now I'm really nervous. Wish me luck. Massive suitcase, so you can see how this is me and this is my suitcase. It's bigger than me. Made it to Frankfurt. We had such an eventful morning. The flight was delayed for 2 hours. The plane was broken. It took ages to fix it. We are late, but we're here and we have like 5 minutes to eat, and we're going to the Metzeler factory to see how the Roadtec tire is being made. I don't really care about lunch and food, but I really do care about that factory. I'm exhausted. It's such a long day already. I'm the only girl and I'm the only blogger. Everyone looks so serious. They all have fancy leather suits, fancy helmets, fancy kit bags, and I'm here in my old stinky Dainese leathers with my cheap showy helmet, and I just feel so silly. And they're all such fast riders. They all have racing experience, and now I don't know. I'm so nervous.
Welcome here in Roadtec, Germany, Oldenburg.